Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back. So guys, in today's menu we have some fried rice with prawns. If you'd like to see how I made this recipe, please continue watching. In a pan, I'll go ahead to add some oil and I'll allow the oil to heat up. Once the oil has heated up, I'll add the prawns that I'll be using for this recipe. I've gone ahead to season my prawns with some salt and some cumin powder as well. So I'll allow this to fry for a minute on each side. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. Thank you so much for coming. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to be part of the family. To my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. I appreciate all your support. So guys, over here I've added my prawns and I'll allow them to fry for a minute. So now the prawns are perfectly cooked. I'll go ahead to take them out from the oil and I'll set them aside. So once I've gone ahead to take out all the prawns from the pan, I'll add a little bit of butter to the oil that I have already in the pan. Then I'll fry the vegetables that I'll be using for this recipe. So I've just added some carrots and I'll go ahead to allow this to fry for a minute, and I'll add some green peas and some sweet corn as well, and I'll allow them to fry for another 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I'll go ahead to add some bell peppers to the vegetables. I'm only adding the bell peppers because I needed the rice to be more colorful, So I've just added the bell peppers. I'll go ahead to season the vegetables. I'll season with some onion powder and some garlic powder. So once I've added the seasonings, I'll go ahead to give it a quick mix and I'll allow my vegetables to fry well. I'll allow this to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes before I add the rice to the vegetable. So once I've gone ahead to add the rice to the vegetables, I'll go ahead to season the rice and I will season with some oyster sauce. I will season with some dark soy sauce. You can basically make use of any seasoning of your choice. So I've just added the seasonings and I will mix everything together until they are well combined. So once everything is well combined, at this point I'll be adding the prawns that we cooked before. So I'll go ahead to add the prawns to this rice and I'll go ahead to mix everything together until they are well combined. I'll fry this for another 2 to 3 minutes and at this point the rice is ready to be served. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and be part of the family, and turn your bell notification on to get notified each time I upload a new video. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.